Hello. Yeah. So in this video, we are going to go through the programs workspace. So this is where all the people who do programs are going to be working under. Below, you can see there's YALEP, there's UNICEF, there's Minutes, programs, monitoring reports, and all those others that are appearing there. So this is where you are going to be working. When you want to do your minutes, you are going to do them from the system here. When you also want to do your programs monitoring reports, you are also going to do it from here. So we want to start by maneuvering through the documents, how you post. So let's say you want to report, you want to do a report for minutes. You can just come here and click on minutes. After you click on minutes, the system will show you all the minutes that have been done. The first one you can see it's 001. So if you want to add another minutes, you can just click on add minutes here, and then you can enter your venue. Let's say your venue is Cheetown. You can enter your venue there, and then time, you can choose the time there. If it's 8, you can put 8. If it's 9, you can put 9. And the agenda, you can also put your agenda here. So you can say agenda is training. So that's our agenda. And then after that, you can click down there where you see members present. You can click on add row here, and then you enter all the positions and the departments. So the position would be accountant, and our accounts department, and then members present. We enter all the members that are present. So you can enter like this. To add another row, you can just click on add row and enter the next person. And then if you want to end apologies, you can just come here. You do the same thing that we did there at the top. After that, you can go to the next one. You do the same thing. So you do everything up until you finish here. Let me put the next date of meeting. We are going to meet on the 7th. Venue is going to be in town, Marondera. And then next time that we are going to meet around 15. And then minutes taker is going to be Takudzwa Jason. So make sure that you also fill in all the informations on all these tabs. After that, you click on save. And then when you click on save, you can see it goes to draft. So the reason why it goes to draft is to allow you to cross-check your document, make sure that you don't have any missing information here. If you see that you have got any missing information, you need to fill it in before you click on draft, before you click on submit. So when you go on draft, you can click on this printer icon, and then it can show you what is currently there. If you see, you can see our document is still a little bit small, and there is some empty spaces there. So it means you haven't entered all the information. Now you can come back and now continue entering all the other information that would have been left. After that, you click on save. Here it asks you, do you want to permanently submit? Then you say yes. And then it will now submit permanently. If you want to print, you can just click on that icon, and then it can show here. Yeah, so basically that's it. If you want to go back, you can come and click here under minutes, and you can see the one that we just added is now showing, and it's showing that it has just been added now. So that's it for doing minutes. So the same process that we have done minutes is the same process that you are going to do on all other doc types. So if I want to go to other doc type, I first click here, then I go to programs. Then here I can see program monitoring. We are going to do the same thing, add program monitoring. You enter all the information. So if you enter like size visit here, project. So if you want to enter project, just click there, all the projects will appear. If they don't appear, you can just type. You see, gold. If appeared, I pick on gold. If I want to enter categories, you can just come here, tick, tick. When you finish, make sure that you enter all the information. When you finish, you then click on save, and the document goes to draft. And then make sure that you first check that all the fields, your fields doesn't have to be empty. You need to make sure that all your fields have information, right? And then you save. So when you save, you see it goes to draft. Now you need to click submit to finalize the document. Then you click yes, and then the document is saved. So that is it for doing your projects.